I'm inspired by the material that I use and how I can manipulate that through process. So I love the raw elements within nature, water, fire, earth, and hence the love for British woodlands. So these inspire my connections with the products I create. As a maker based in Shropshire, I try to source all of my timber within the region. So I work with properties like the National Trust and use timber from areas like Wenlock Edge here to create products directly for the Trust.
I'll cut this tree down really to make room for the existing trees that we're leaving behind. As trees grow, they all get bigger. They need more space to get bigger, and eventually you end up with too many trees packed into small an area. So the reason we've cut this tree down here today is to give those trees we're going to leave behind more space to grow.
We mill, season and process all of our timber in-house to minimise travel and transport and to keep our carbon footprint as low as possible.
So the main characteristics we're looking for is the old gnarly timber that's got a nice twisted squirrely grain, a bit of just something different, a bit of character, whether it be spalting like the beech that we've just milled, burrs, or just anything gnarly or slightly different or quirky.
The transition from raw element to final outcome follows a very lengthy and linear process from tree, from, as you can see, very raw bark, rich kind of grain and component, to then be processed by bandsaw, by mill, by lathe and chisels, to then be hand formed into a unique piece which is sanded, waxed or oiled to then create a new piece of artwork in itself. So we can take away a small section of British woodland and utilise it within our home, or to be aesthetically pleasing to the eye. The nature of timber is that you can work with every element of it. So you can use a very small section which would create a gorgeous stud at 1 centimetre through to a large bowl or vessel that can be used within your home, showing the versatility of the wood that we work with. Within modern design processes you end up with a lot of waste and a lot of biomass which can be utilised as new products. So as a sustainable business, this is key and one of my main ethics to create new products out of waste. But I use the offcuts and the corners to then inform jewellery pieces, from pendants to studs to cufflinks, all of which capture a very small element of timber.